Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we talk about 2021 a little bit, one of the things I think that surprised everyone in 2021 is Windows 11. Everybody got surprised. Everybody just got a look at something new that we didn't expect would come. A lot of things that we've learned, and I still see the comments, people saying, well, why did Microsoft say the last version of Windows was Windows 10? But we've learned over time that when Microsoft never did say that. It was one of the developers that had said that in an event. People picked up on it, but Microsoft itself never did. Yet, I think we were all in the same. Windows 10 is the last version of Windows anyways, and I think we were all not expecting what happened this year. We started this year expecting something different. We first of all had the first update of the year, which was 21H1 for Windows 10, that contained very, very little. Everybody was happy. It was the second small cumulative update rather than a huge update like we usually have. But we were expecting something big at the end of the year, and that was in Windows 10. We were expecting that Windows 10 was to get a brand new look and feel and something called Sun Valley. And what happened is that as time went by, we suddenly, at some point, start getting these rumors and these pictures of a, 11 on the floor of with a shadow on the floor that shows kind of the number 11 from a window, and people are starting to talk and saying, look, something's happening, and of course rumors going, and suddenly we get this announcement that by the way, Windows 11's coming, and everybody's like shocked. Nobody's expecting it. And the shock is double because not long before that, what was supposed to be a new version of lightweight version and different version of Windows, Windows 10X, was abandoned. And we can probably think that Windows 10X has been partly used in Windows 11 for how things look and how things are changing. And Windows 10 became Windows 10 with another little cumulative update at the end of the year, which is kind of, deceived a lot of Windows 10 users, I think. A lot of Windows 10 users have really gone to, kind of saying that, well, I feel kind of abandoned suddenly. I thought I would have this cool new look in Windows 10 eventually, all those new features. And it doesn't happen. And it didn't happen and will not happen because it's suddenly Windows 11 that's getting the big highlight and being the star of all of it. That is a surprising year. I have to say 2021 was surprising for Windows and surprised everybody. Now, is it for good? And we'll see. Only the future will tell us. Is Windows 11 going to take on? Once again, only the future will tell us. And it's going to be interesting to see how all of this happens and what 2022 will bring in Windows. With once a year update for Windows 10 now, will that be a big feature update or simply a small cumulative update once a year? And what will Windows 11 look like next year at this time? Will it have really big new features? Will it have changed that much? Well, that's what 2022 is going to bring us. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.